To remove the rear cover, first remove the CSR door. Remove the dummy SD card or real SD card from the SD card slot at the bottom of the unit. Loosen the two captive Torx head screws near the bottom of the rear cover until each screw makes a clicking sound several times. And the screw completely releases. Apply pressure on the back of the rear cover, pushing out towards the side and top of the cover to help release all the tabs securing the cover along its outside edge. Lift the cover slightly. Rotate the cover diagonally to clear the stand, and carefully remove the cover from the unit. The rear cover has several tabs along its inside outer edge. That clip onto slots in the PC. To replace the cover, first slide the cover around the stand from the side so that the cover will fit over the stand. Rotate the cover to its correct position, then place the cover down. Tighten the two Torx head captive screws before pressing all the side tabs into place to secure the rear cover. Replace the dummy SD card or real SD card into the SD card slot at the bottom of the unit.